Galing po kay Ma'am Marisa po. Thank you. Ayan. Message niyo po ma'am para kay ma'am. Short message po ma'am para sa
Ako na lang mag-message. Salamat at magbigay ka na akong anak mo kahit ganyan kayo. May alitan kayong dalawa. Maraming salamat at naalala mong binigyan ng kaisa-isa mong pang-apo. Salamat anak. May makapagsalita yung anak mo. Nagulat lang kami na may deliver. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po. Ayan. Happy birthday baby. Picture.
It's beautiful life. Forever I'll stay by your side. It's beautiful life. Always standing right behind you. Beautiful love. 'Cause we're standing under the same sky. Even though we are worlds apart. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Though I am only living in memories. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Won't you let me inside your heart?